Hey, hi. We're going to see how you can rectify issues with WAMP server. I've installed my WAMP server, but it's bringing errors. When I started, it says the code execution cannot proceed because of the msvcr110.dll. Okay, and I think I have to click on like 3 times for it to kind of go off. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix those errors with your WAMP. It may be a different error, but this is the same way you can fix them. So what you do is you go to WAMP server, you go to WAMP server, a website, wampserver.aviatech.net. That's the link. I think I can leave it to you in my comment section below on the video description. Then you go to these installers updates, you go to VC++ packages, okay? So my computer uses 64-bit, it's a 64-bit computer, so you install these ones. Okay, so I can start with this one. You click on it. Okay, so let me click on this. It's trying to download. Okay, I think it has downloaded, okay? So we're going to try to install all these ones and see if the error will go, okay? Sometimes these errors are different. Mine, it may be showing a different thing from yours, but still it's the same procedure. I feel let me also download this so that they can all get downloaded. Okay, I think my internet may be a bit slow, but okay, this one is done. Start. And I think let me also download this. Okay, I think this is 2022. I think this was the first one. It was this. So let me open it. Okay, let me first close this because I want to install them one by I may make a mistake. Okay, so let me do the installation of this. They usually don't really take a lot of time. And okay, this is successful. So 2023, that one actually was captured by the ID internet downloader, so I can get it from here. It's this. Install. Yes. Okay, this is done. Then the third one, 2012 is this, I think. I don't think the arrangement matters. Okay, they are done. So I'm going to try to start WAMP again. In most cases, what I advise is you can try to reinstall it afresh. But let me try to restart it again and see this. Okay, so today I didn't have any problem from WAMP. The other error is gone. As you can see, all of them are solved. Okay, sometimes you may have to restart, but in my case, I think, after installing that 2020, all these ones, okay, 1, 2, 3. By the way, I even installed a 2010. Okay, you can install all of them. So after installing them, you start WAMP afresh, and then probably it will work. Okay, so let me see, where is it? Where is my WAMP? All right, so I can try to load it here. Make sure your WAMP is actually showing green. Okay, so this is my WAMP. My folders are not clickable, but this is a setting which I'm going to fix in WAMP. If you're interested for me, I think it will be a video that I'll make, okay? How to rectify all these settings in WAMP. But so far it's working well. Let me go to 2026. So right now for the folders, I have to actually just click on them to load the site that I want. Okay, I think this is cool. All right. So that's how you can fix your WAMP errors when you're installing WAMP fast. You just have to actually get the Microsoft VC packages. Make sure you can tell what is your your PC. Is it 64 or 86? Okay. Let me know what you may want to know more in this video. You can leave me a comment section below. If this video has helped you solve your issues with WAMP, you can subscribe, you can leave me a like, you can give me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.